What is going on, everybody? Paul James here. Welcome back to another YouTube video. Today I am so excited for this one because today we are talking about how to make $150 per day online. I'm going to break everything down for you. You can do this from the comfort of your own home. All you really need is a laptop and an internet connection. If you have those two things, then this should be a strategy that you can actually deploy. Now, the cool part too is that I'm not going to be just showing you one single strategy. I'm going to show you 3 different ways that utilize kind of this same technique to actually go and make money with. And the cool part is that you can just rinse and repeat this. If you get tired of doing the first way, then you could try the second way or the third way. Now, I'm also going to leave a bonus tool in the description of this video. It'll be the first link in the description. And what this tool does is it basically supercharges the entire process. And I'll show you how it works later on in the video. Now, I also want to be clear, I can't promise that you're going to get the exact same results that I'm showing you here today. But what I can promise is that I can share with you how I've been getting those results and how other people have been getting those results. Does that sound like a deal? All right, cool. So let's dive right in. So what we're talking about today is a strategy that revolves around using video proposal audits. So if you've never heard of video proposal audits, they're kind of like a little screencast video where you record your screen and you point out something that is wrong with a website. So all we got to do is use these video proposal audits to point out website problems, and then we send them off to the owner of the website and we offer them a plan to pay us on the spot to fix it. So it's pretty easy, it's pretty straightforward because these are going to be easy fixes. So if you're thinking like, oh, I don't know, that sounds kind of complicated, Paul, I don't know if I'm going to be able to do that. Well, these are usually problems where you solve just one specific problem, and it usually isn't too hard to fix. And like I said, I'm going to show you 3 that you can actually solve. Now, I don't recommend you point out all 3 problems in one single video proposal audit that you do. Just pick one. But my point is that you can pick whichever one resonates best with you. Okay, so why would a business owner or a website owner pay you to fix this problem? And a lot of people ask me this whenever I talk about a strategy that involves working with a business owner or a website owner. And the answer is it's twofold. So number 1, they don't have time to do it themselves, or number 2, they don't have the knowledge or want to do it themselves. So it's very, very common. And a lot of people, they get hung up on this idea and it stops them from ever taking action. So I don't want that to happen to you. I mean, think about it. I always use this grass cutting analogy because it's a really good one. A lot of people, they hire landscapers to mow their lawn, right? And if you think about it, they could have easily done this themselves, most likely. So why they hire someone is they don't want to do it, they don't have the time to do it, or they don't have the equipment to do it. Well, it's no different here with this stuff as well. It's either one of those 2 things. Okay, so with that being said, what are the 3 problems that I'm going to give you today that you can actually find and then offer to fix? Okay, these are them. So number 1 is website speed, which means how fast does the website owner's website actually load? Number 2 is the Facebook pixel. Do they have a Facebook pixel on their website? And then number 3, is their website mobile friendly? Now again, we're not going to point out all of these problems to them all at once. We'll just find one specific problem that we'll decide to work with, either one of these 3, and we'll look for website owners that have that problem, and then we'll shoot a video proposal offering to fix it for them and get them to pay us for it, and then we'll fix it for them. Okay, so all of these help businesses make more money, and that's why also they're willing to pay you for them. So website speed is going to offer business owners better rankings. So obviously, if they get better rankings, then they make more money. Facebook Pixel lets the business owner retarget. So if we see that they're not retargeting, well, that could be just another foot in the door service that we could offer them. Like, hey, let me set you up with a Facebook Pixel. You should be retargeting your business owners. That makes them more money, right? Number 3, mobile friendly. Again, better ranking. This is part of Google's ranking factors. So if they're not having a mobile friendly website, not only are they losing ranking, but also they may be losing customers that are coming to their website on a mobile phone and then they just back out and leave. So they're missing out on an entirely different audience as well. Okay, so let's talk about the speed test. So the speed test, you can use a tool called Google Page Speed Insights. And all you have to do is find a website, plug them into this tool, It will test their website speed. You'll see if it's bad or good. If it's bad, you shoot a quick video proposal audit offering to fix it for them, and then you fix it for them and get paid. Okay, so right here, I am on the Google Page Speed Insights tool, right? So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna go into Google and I'm just gonna search a key phrase. So in this example, I'm gonna search for towing, Sussex, Wisconsin. I just picked a keyword at random. There's no like science to this. Just pick something, then go in and start looking through some of the listings until you find a website you wanna check this page speed on. Like, I'll click this one. Okay, I wanna check how fast this website loads. All I gotta do is copy the domain name up here, go into the Page Speed Insight tools, paste the domain name, hit analyze. Google's going to run this page speed test. This may take a minute. All right, so there it is. Google comes back with it. Now, if this would have scored anywhere between 90 and 100, then this would be not a good problem to fix because they don't need our help, right? But if this would have came back anything lower than 89, which it did, it came back 74, well, now all I need to do is shoot a video proposal and explain to them. So what I do is I just put their website up on the screen. That way they see it right away. And I use the tool in the description of this video called Vid Proposals. So all I have to do is hit start from scratch. I'm gonna record my screen. I pick which screen I wanna record. And then all I do is I hit this little record button here and I walk over the details of their website. So I would just go through, I hit record. Let me drag this off the screen. I'd say, hey, what is up? This is Paul. I went through your website, Apple Towing, and I see you've got a nice looking website here, but I ran it through the Google Page Speed Insights and I see that they are saying that you have a page speed problem. Now, this actually affects your ranking, and if your website takes too long to load, people might actually just decide to click off of it and go to your competitor. So there's actually a pretty easy way to fix this, and I can help you fix this by fixing this stuff that Google is pointing out here. If you'd like help with fixing that, I've left a quick proposal below this video. Just let me know and I'd be happy to take care of it for you today. All right, that's it. Then I hit the stop button. All right, so this is my video, it's done. Now, if I want, I can type in a little message down here for them, and then I can add in my e-signature as well, right here, enable e-signature. Okay, so there it is, and when they sign it, it's got the $500 amount on it. So now all I gotta do is copy this link up here, and now I just send them off an email, and I can just say in the subject line, like, quick question, and then I can say, hey, I had a quick question for you. I'm not sure if you knew this about your website. I just shot a quick video for you to explain it. So from that point, they'll click it, they'll come to our video proposal, and hopefully we'll land a deal. So it's just a numbers game. You'll just wanna go and keep doing this, and eventually someone's going to take you up on the offer, it's gonna grab their attention, and they're going to go ahead and sign it and pay you. Page speed can be fixed with a plugin called W3 Total Cache. So all you have to do is in WordPress, just go to plugins, go to add new, search for W3 Total Cache and install it. Like I've got it installed here on my website, and that's going to help fix the problem and speed up their website. So that speed test with the Facebook Pixel, it's basically the same process that you're gonna go through, only you're gonna use a Chrome extension called Facebook Pixel Helper, and that'll help you analyze whether or not they have a Facebook Pixel. For the mobile friendly test, same thing, only you're gonna use Google's mobile friendly test tool. And it's the same process. You find a website, you stick it in the tool, and you find the ones that have the problem, and you shoot a quick video proposal for them offering to help them fix it. So again, step-by-step recap for you. Step 1, look for websites that don't pass one of these tests. Step 2, shoot a quick video showing them the problem and offering to fix it for them and charge them $500 to $1,200. Now, if you charge $1,200, then that means you only need one client a week to basically make $150 per day. So the lower you charge, the more clients you need. Again, I'll leave a link in the description below to the video proposal tool that I use. And then step number 3 is you're gonna fix their problem, get paid, and then repeat the process. So again, how you fix the problem is if it's site speed, you can install a plugin like W3 Total Cache. That'll help speed up the website. If it's mobile friendly, you're gonna basically offer to rebuild their website to make it mobile friendly. And if it's the Facebook Pixel, well, then you just go into their Facebook ad account and you add the pixel from their ad account to their website. Now, if you'd like me to do a deep dive into any of these topics that I've mentioned, go ahead and comment below. Also, if you're enjoying this video, please smash a like on it and subscribe to the channel if you're not already. All right, guys, so I've literally covered everything that you need to know to go out there and make $150 per day. I hope that you enjoyed this video. If you did, I'm gonna leave some other videos here on the screen that I think you will also enjoy. Until next time, I am Paul James. I'll see you in another video. Peace out.